Hi, this is Peter Gerardi, and I'm very excited to bring you WP Traffic App, which is a brand new WordPress plugin that I'm launching on 5th of July as the early bird launch. Now, in order to better demonstrate this to you, I'm going to share with you a website of mine, which is called allslicers.com. And I built this website as a case study website. It's an e-commerce site using WooCommerce plugin. And I basically added a bunch of different products on the site from AliExpress, right? And once I started to put it together, and because I built this as a case study, obviously I wanted to work myself on that, right? But what I found is that it's really hard to, for example, promote this page and promote these images and promote all of this on Facebook or other social media sites without using some outside tools, without copy and pasting and things like that. And that's where I basically came up with WP Traffic App. So let me show you exactly what it does, and basically I'm going to demonstrate to you these 4 steps because it's designed like a 4-step process that takes maybe 3 to 5 minutes to go through, and then you have highly engaging image or ad or things like that that you can share on social media sites and get traffic from them, right? Now, when you will install the WP Traffic App for the first time, obviously you will need to provide some settings, but after that, you can go just to Explorer and start to research and find what's trending right now. So let's say we want to promote these French fry potato chip cutter, right? So we want to promote that. And in order to promote that, we can just quickly find out what people are talking about, and probably we need to type in French fries here, and then we can search either Facebook or Twitter or both and just find out what people are searching for when it comes to that, right? And now, as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff showing up, and you can just select the images, you can select likes, and it's going to show you what got the most likes and everything else. And then all you need to do is really to add to the active source, which is basically a bookmarking. It allows you to bookmark what you found, so you don't need to go back and search again, but you can then use and pick what's best for the particular campaign. Now, once you add these to active source, then the next step, you can go here to the active source and see and make the final decision which ones you want. So for example, I don't want this, but I do want this one. So I click download, and now it's going to download it to my media library. The same with this one, right? And it's downloaded to the media library. After that, all I have to do is just go to the next step, and that's a designer, right? So we are already in the step number 3, which is designing your ad. And now all you have to do is just pick the image, whichever you want. So in this case, I want to promote this. And then we already predefined a bunch of different sizes. So for example, you want to create a website ad on Facebook, you just select this one and it will give you the perfect size for the ad, right? And you can select here the zoom to make sure that you can see it. And then quickly adjust the background, however you want. Adjust, maybe put some stroke there around so it stands out a bit. Here changes a little bit like this, and now you have basically the initial part. Then you can arrange this image however you want, and obviously you can then add some text. For example, these look amazing. Don't you want them now? And you can just drag and drop this wherever you want. Select, some kind of font. Put the size in, and now let's just adjust how it looks like here, right? And obviously you can select the different color. For example, I want red maybe, or green, or blue. Blue is better. Background color, you can obviously select if you want to. And then also you can select it, let's say bold, right? Or italic, whichever you want, right? And boom, and you put that wherever you want, however you want it, and then you have some kind of image right here. Now let me just adjust these a bit more, and let's make this one a bit bigger. Now, I'm not the best designer in the world, but it's decent. All right, so now I can add some kind of maybe arrow, and you can import your own if you want to, or you can add the underline. So let's say I want to add this fancy underline here just to make it stand out. Move it a bit. All right, so now I basically have this, and all I have to do is now I can check also with the Facebook to make sure that we don't increase the Facebook 20% space. And as you can see, it's 16%, so all is good. It works with Facebook as well. And now we just click save, and you can give the title my first ad. And you can just simply select save as an image, or you can initiate the publishing immediately. So click save and publish, and it's going to save it first, and then it's going to redirect you directly to the publisher. And now, as you can see, the media has been already selected, so you can now select the content. And here you can pick the product post, whichever you want. For example, we want to find that French fries. We have the search box here, and we can select that one. And now we can also immediately select, for example, shortener, either Bitly or Google shortener. So it's basically, shortened URL here. And as you can see, Bitly shows up here as well. And then we can add some text, which is going to be the message before they see it. So don't you want these right now? Just go here to get the French fry cutter for free, a limited time deal. All right, something like that. And obviously you can then change the title here, free, get the best French fry cutter here. You can provide the description. All right, and click save, and now you have the message, you have everything, you select, and this is how it will look like. Now this image is going to look like beautifully on Facebook. So you take the next step, and in the next step you can choose whether to schedule this and select the schedule time and even add to the cycles, or you can just go ahead and instantly publish, and you want to just publish wherever you want on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, or Tumblr. And that's it. That's how you basically can turn and assign any image to any post without basically changing the post or product page or anything like that, and just share and build unlimited traffic campaigns for your website and get traffic. So that's a short preview of 4-step process. This is it. That's Peter Geraghty. Bye for now.